All
Thank
right,
you,
all right,
Zeti.
all right. Can
You,
I moderate you guys?
can
Seems
I can
there's
I can
big bucks being paid here. It seems there's big bucks being paid here. So
can
yeah,
I just say
Nuva, you
this
can.
quick? Then I want to go sleep, guys. You have this is way beyond my bedtime, and I'm working in the morning. But
And Ganda is gonna run away too. But go on.
these proves
And
exactly.
I'll not be told by a clown to say, please say simplify. I'm not gonna do that. He's not my dad.
Don't
He can go
understand
fuck
it.
himself.
You
Nah,
don't.
I'm not gonna
Thank you
do
for
that.
Zeti,
mimicking.
you are
He
not.
Thank you
must
for
You are not.
answer. He
mimicking
must answer
English.
the question that was
You
asked. He must answer
can
the question that
someone
Thank
was
you for
asked.
mimicking
If
English. You are a very
he,
good
if
mimic.
he,
Now
can
I understand
someone
if
concept.
he,
explain?
if he lacks intellectual capacity, he mustn't make it our problem. He was asked a very simple question and he
You're the
failed to
one that
answer it.
wants me to
I don't
simplify.
think.
No,
I don't
I
think. I
answered
don't
it.
think it's
Repeat
because. I don't think it's
already.
because. I
You
don't
want
think
me
it's
to
because
repeat
of
it?
pride.
I can repeat it.
I don't think it's because of pride. I don't think it's because of
I can
pride. It's
repeat
because
it.
it simply doesn't have an answer. It's because it doesn't have an answer for you, Nofer.
I
That's
can
simple, my
repeat
bro.
it.
You know what I mean?
No,
Or I can simplify it.
Zeti, we're fine,
Ilula
we're
le
fine.
nto.
What really shocks me is that currently we have two policies that are shaping up in Africa. We have the West shaping policy directive in Africa, and we also have BRICS shaping. You know, we have the ZiG that claims to be backed by gold. It's a currency that is backed by gold. But when we look at Zimbabwe, in as far as the gold reserves, where it sits with the gold reserves, they are very low. In Africa, we have three countries that have the biggest gold reserves: Egypt, Libya, South Africa sits at number 3. These are currencies that are not just backed by resources. These are currencies that are backed by what international standards regard as metrics to measure, currency, and not just measure currency, but to stabilize it also. You see, we have a metrics that is used. It's a global standard. We can also pull in Europe because they love using Europe, because of Pan-Africanism. They model each and every principle or talking point that they love parading from Europe. We have the Copenhagen criteria, which formulated this unity, which made it easy for country to integrate even currency. The Copenhagen criteria was the foundation that formulated what is currently playing out in Europe. When you ask a Pan-Africanist what is the criteria that will integrate the financial system, you get the likes of Zeti stuttering like a dog that is being kicked. Anyway, thank you, host. I appreciate the time that you gave me. I need to call it a night now. Thank you, guys.
Let's reply to you, my friend. Like what is existing in Europe?
I don't need your
No,
your
no, I'm
reply.
just.
I'm
No,
dropping.
I don't. I don't need you to listen to it.
Yeah, I don't have time to
Okay,
listen
I'll
to
wait
it.
for you. I'll wait for you. I like you when you do not know. I'll wait for you until you call, then I'll correct it when you're not here, so that you don't get the benefit of it.
Okay. Yeah, thank you very much. I
Yeah,
appreciate.
so that you can stay the way you are.
Let
All right. Thank you about that. The topic is still the same. Would we like some continuation? I think it would be amiss if we close the conversation as in now. So I think, yeah, it's an open panel. Let's just welcome Ashu. Ashu, welcome. Ashu, welcome to the panel.
when Ashu is not there, can I reply to things that were said before?
Well, I don't know. I don't know if you are. Go on.
Okay. Someone turned around and pointed out that Africa does not have something similar to IMF. It does. It's called the African Development Bank Group.
Yes. How is that going to help the illegal aliens flooding our country?
No. Aren't you talking about currency?
No, we're talking about illegal aliens in our
That's
country.
why. Actually, this is why I said someone said that we don't have anything similar to World Bank or IMF. I said yes, we do.
Who said
It's
that?
called African Development.
Zeti,
It
who
was
said
Titula
that?
Queen. It was Titula Queen.
Yeah, what home again? Yo, muname.
That's what she said. And we do. It's called African Development Bank Group.
I'm a oh my God.
Does it
Doing some good work out
does
there.
it loan money to African countries?
It's called African Development Bank Group.
Yes, I know. Angishangazi.
That's what it does.
No, when I ask you a question, you must answer. I'm
Does it?
asking.
Yes.
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 It's simple. It's simple. Yes, it's simple.
Oh, I thought you knew.
No, I
Sorry, I
didn't
thought you
know.
knew.
I didn't know.
Okay. Yes. It does loan money.
Does it get its money back? Which countries has it loaned so far?
It's loaned to over. It has put in about over 1,000 projects. Then you can go into
Who
the
has loaned to? Not how many.
I'm answering. If you go into their project book, it's there online. It's not a secret. Then you see which countries actually received it because it repeats countries. So you can go and count. It's there. It's just public knowledge. It's not secret like a secret society.
Who is
Just
who is managing it? Who is managing it?
What do you mean? Who is managing it? The project managers.
Do we maybe know them, or do I need to go research about
It's
it?
not a secret. You have to research because it's not a secret.
All right, I'll go research about it.
Amazing.
So, citizen, I'm still in this topic here. I'm trying to move from it, but I can't. So, in Zimbabwe, you really eat elephant?
People do. Same as in South Africa, some people do. Yeah. They say sometimes they serve in restaurant. It's not. It's yes. It's when they turn around and the government allows for elephants
South African government doesn't. South African government doesn't cull elephants and feed it to its citizens. It doesn't do that. It doesn't do that. The Zimbabwean government does cull elephants and feeds it to its citizens. It's not the same thing. We don't do that in South Africa. We don't do that. I've never even eaten an elephant.
Same here.
I'll never eat an elephant. There are exotic restaurants that offer a game meat, zebra.
They're exotic
elephant.
to people that live.
It's not in restaurants with you. Your government just analyze them and you take them home with buckets.
Okay, that's correct. They are exotic to people that don't live in Africa. To Africa, elephants are not exotic. They're only exotic to people that live outside.
And you know, with tuberculosis.
So again, we are mimicking English. We are mimicking English. Now we are using outsider language. They're exotic to Europeans and the Americans and Brazilians.
We love. I love elephants myself.
They're not
Why do you
exotic to
to speak for me?
Never.
They're not exotic to you.
In South Africa, we don't butcher elephants and eat them. We don't do that.
Oh, that means then you don't know. It's okay. Again.
And I will never eat elephant, no matter what.
Uzoyidla ke masoyunayise nalezinja.
Hello, sorry to interrupt. In South Africa, we do eat elephant.
Nangumo.
On South Africa.
Learn something every time, yeah? Sometimes it's time for you to learn. Maybe you don't know South Africa.
Because on our rural areas are not the same. those who live next to the Kruger National Park, they do eat elephant.
Governor, where do you?
Hayi wena ungazobheda wena. How do South Africans eat elephants? It's by law. You're not even allowed to do. You're not even just now. The city of Ekurhuleni issued a notice to say ukuthi mawuzohlaba, you must go and report kumasipala. How are you even allowed ukuthi uwise indlovu uyidle eSouth Africa?
I'm telling you that people, they do.
What's the king? Di tla bana ba bo banda. What's bana ba bo banda ka what's ka phela ba ikenya. We don't it by law. You cannot do that in South Africa. We have laws that protect animals, even domestic dogs. You can't just treat your dog anyhow. What more, a whole elephant where we even have money that protects and guards our elephants from poaching? What are you fucking on about?
There's between eating elephants and poaching, you know that.
We
Poaching
have
is not
laws
allowed.
that protect elephants, particularly. We have laws that protect elephants. You can't just always say indlovu and then you chomp it. It doesn't happen in South Africa.
It happens.
And if you are doing it in Mpumalanga, you are breaking the law.
Yeah, you're talking about the law. It's illegal to do that, but people are eating
Manje
elephant.
wawuzongena la uthi ama South Africans ahamba uyisa indlovu wena eMpumalanga bazidla. Ungena la ukhuluma umkhudo.
We are not fighting here.
No, ungena ukhuluma nonsense la uthi eMpumalanga abantu badla indlovu. Ukabona amabaphi wena abantu eMpumalanga bahantana neindlovu bazilahla phansi.
Talking rubbish.
The law doesn't allow you to do that.
If you don't
Ungena la uzongena ngoba half and half bakho babubhanda la uzobheda.
Let him explain.
Shut up wena, shut up.
state your facts. If you
Explain
don't
what? Explain the lies.
Explain what he's saying.
Yila bantu bakho ke le pan-Africanism yakho ke baba uyayibona ukuthi seyakubamba already. Bazizindlovu labantu babo. Shalwazi ukuthi niyo unite ngokugwazana neindlovu zala eSouth Africa niyipheka.
If you don't know, you don't know. Just
hey, shut up, wena, shut up. Awunama South Africans abulala the elephant ajija. Just shut up.
learn each and every day.
Let him explain.
Explain what, when explain what?
Explain, fella, the
explain
other people
what
that do. Okay, explain what he's saying.
Explain a lie. Yeah, when you agreed that in Zimbabwe you eat elephant, I thought all along it was a lie until you agreed that. So don't try to
people
put that
that
to
eat
South Africa.
elephant, yeah.
No, that's a lie.
What you mean?
It's true.
It's not a lie. Even in Zimbabwe, there are communities in Zimbabwe that eat elephants that live next to national parks.
They eat.
Living near a national park and an elephant leaves the Kruger National Park and comes into Emphakathini, you're supposed to call a Kruger and then I'ma expect as azothatha lo elephant ayibuse. You don't bring it down and butcher it.
They don't do that. They don't call.
No one does that anymore.
Oh, just shut up. Man. Just shut up.
Unfortunately, sport, that's what they do.
Yeah. They don't call it.
No. Let me explain this issue. Let me explain this issue further. No, it normally happens in along those areas in Mpumalanga where these tribes are closer to the first park. Even the crocodiles, even the crocodiles when they croak, no, people, can I please speak?
Arehane hore maybe if honale animal eka kenang komphakathing and the onus lies on the government of South Africa and these parks to educate our people about protecting certain animals. We don't dispute that, but it's not like South Africans go out of their way to go and unalive ama elephants and then bawadla for tea.
No. This is what I'm trying to explain, Spo. They don't.
The law in South Africa protects animals. That it happens, but it's illegal. If you are found, you can be arrested and jailed.
Yes. Yeah. Spo, calm down.
In Zimbabwe, you're not allowed to unalive an elephant without a license.
What I'm trying, they do not cross over.
How can you unalive 100? Say that is not allowed in a country.
100 elephants. Then
No.
you come here, you say that it's not
In
allowed.
Zimbabwe,
Culling.
in Zimbabwe, there's a huge problem. There's a huge problem with those elephants. There are so many, and they are causing havoc in the forest.
How can elephants
These
cause
things, when they
havoc?
graze, they can cover a huge area.
Palm wine, they do, and they do cull them. In Botswana, they also do it.
But how do they cause havoc? I don't understand.
Should they
Now
eat
You
we
know
are
how big that thing is? Inkulu le nto leyana. Ingawisa indlu manje.
Manje nithi abantu bala South Africa bayabamba bazidle when they cause
No,
havoc.
in South Africa we don't do that. In Zimbabwe they cull them. Mase bayenza iziyenza kanjalo ziya emphakathini. Baya because they have the highest the highest number of elephants in Zimbabwe, and then I think the second one is Botswana. Mase ziziningi kakhulu ziyenza lokho. Bayayibulala bese umphakathi waseZimbabwe uze namabhakede bazokuka ama trunks bayopheka ezindlini.
Oh, bona my elephant base bebona ibrayi base becabanga ibrayi.
Even in South
my
Africa.
friend, you did not even know
When
what
awuthule South Africa sikhala ama elephants adliwa umphakathi.
Even in South Africa, which South Africa do you stay? Which side of South Africa?
Uyemenyana uskatlore hafela mo. Skatlore hafela emanyana tu.
Which South Africa do you stay?
Which side of South Africa are you in?
Awume kancane asiyenzi le nto leyo la eSouth Africa. You will be arrested welokhu udlana nendlovu. When you must be investigated kahle kahle uyazipimpa la ukuthi sitshele SPCA ukuthi ulokhu ugijimisana nendlovu uyazibulala ne.
I know it's not
Uyenwe ukushothi lo.
But why you don't speak English now? I don't pimping, man. Why you don't speak English? In
Wena.
South Africa,
Ngithatha ama instructions from wena ubani wena ukuthi ngikhulume ini njani isikhathi bani. Ngithatha ama instructions from wena ubani wena. Who the hell are you wena? Who the hell are you?
He's trying to tell you about the culling.
When I shut up, just shut up. Elephant
You don't want
man,
to hear the
shut
truth.
up.
Now you've got someone debunking
Shut
you
up,
the same
elephant
area,
man,
it's
shut
painful.
up.
It's painful when you turn around and say propaganda. You discover that
We don't do that in South Africa. The fact of the matter is we don't do that in South Africa. There are laws that protect the big five.
You've
You
been
can't just go.
writing this-
Uyowisa
You've been
indlovu,
writing this
utuyike
propaganda. Now you
ngama
discover that it happens.
There are no South Africans that do that.
Hey,
if you crocodiles,
what to do now? You can't take it away.
Especially this one. Eh?
Can you? I don't know, bro. Can you mute for a second? Look, we wanna.
And you don't have a problem, Nama Zimbabweans. And we told you we have a problem with all of them. You said our Nanking.
Mina.
No, Usimpiwo. We tell you don't have a problem.
With illegal.
Hey.
I have a problem with illegal.
Bese ngisho ukuthi usho mina tutola.
Now Pan-Africanist usekayaqalana nobhuti wakhe waseZimbabwe.
Elephant eating.
I said this.
Let's go back to the elephant eating.
I said, shut up, man.
You did not even know what elephant eating was. You just
We
discovered it now.
don't
You
eat
can't handle the
elephants in
information.
South Africa. We don't do that.
You can't handle
Elephants,
the
they
information.
leave the Kruger all the time. They don't get butchered by the citizens of Mpumalanga. Zihlala ephuma.
You are not allowed to. No, there is no African country that allows you to butcher
doesn't allow
elephants.
you. It doesn't mean that
There is
the
no
law
African
doesn't allow
country that
people
allows
ukuthi
you.
zethi umthetho uvuma ukuthi abantu badlwengule but abantu bayadlwengula abanye abantu. Akusho ukuthi umthetho mawuthi you can't bring down an elephant. The community
Culling.
don't do it. There is
Culling.
we don't do that in South Africa. We don't do that.
Crime in South
It
Africa.
is done in Zimbabwe, not in South Africa.
Oh,
You like to hear yourself talking with this voice, eh? As long as you are talking.
It's my voice, mate. If
Your
it turns around, it
voice,
makes you,
shut up, man.
it makes you a
Your
bit
voice is not
shaky.
nice. Yo. Yes, yes.
It's not going to be nice, mate.
It sounds like those people who documentary. Anonymous
I was
people
here
who
for the. I
documentary.
was here for the. I think if I've got a
Now we
documentary
are done with
voice.
that. Now we are done with that topic. You can
Now let's deal with elephant eating
let's deal with
that you did not know about before.
Now let's delete it.
Now you are shocked. Now you are starting to
I was
defend
so
things you don't
surprised that a
understand.
normal person, you even defended that. Imagine.
And now you discover it's in your background. Then what are you going to do now?
Hey, amakwerekwere uKhisimusi namhlanje Spain
By
amakwerekwere.
eating an elephant, you feel smart. That makes you feel smarter.
No, something is got elephants everywhere. Elephants don't have passports, you know that. They just go wherever they go.
You think everything is about passports, eh?
Hey,
You think everything.
you talk about
Dumi
ID,
passport ekhanda lakho. Kudumi passport ekhanda lakho. Eh? Kudumi passport ekhanda lakho.
But so even that other case.
Do you have one?
Ukuthi baso awusimpiwe. Asilava African Unity
Usimpiwe,
ukuthi
ubona amathukalazi.
Now, i-Pan Africanism seyacwila ngesipiti kanje. Uyidefend
Ubona amathukalazi.
Tutula.
Ubona amathukalazi.
Hawu iyacwila ingakasuki ibhanoyi lingakasuki isimpiwe.
I have a problem with illegal foreigners.
But it doesn't take away the fact ukuthi they are Zimbabweans who are legal in South Africa abadla indlovu abangahalela indlovu. So imagine if bafikela eMpumalanga njengalo olokho athi bayazidla makunama Zimbabwean who let's say they are legal. What do you think they'll be doing to indlovu abazibona iphume eKruger National Park? Because it is an animal. Izopuma, it's big. Kuzowenzakalani because ujwayele ezweni lakhe ukuthi indlovu iyadliwa.
Yo.
Sekazile la umphile i-criticals or uzile la uzovakasha uye lapha eKruger alale endaweni zalapho iphuma indlovu ayilahle phansi ayisika.
He said South Africans.
Hey, their voice.
Living near Kruger National Park. He said South Africans. He was very
straight.
You know,
relax.
You know, usually.
You allow with your plastic Pan-Africanism. Relax. This is why now you are shaking.
I have high blood pressure based on your voice, sir. Your voice is not nice at all. Yo. I don't like your voice. Yo, your voice makes me to you see your voice.
Translation, my friend.
I don't like it, sir. Yo, your voice, I don't like it at all, sir.
Again, I reduce the volume when you're talking.
There's no voice.
Like now, my volume is on 1, so that you don't enter my head.
Maybe you must put a chipmunk voice effect. At least it's better.
Then I'll start to sound like you.
Alright.
No, it's not
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, just to kind of cooler heads, manners maketh a man. Citizen Zeti, I understand your voice seems to be kind of louder than the others. Would you kindly play around with your mic that when you're not talking, at least maybe you give them a chance to speak? I mean, you know, South Africans have always...
I'll use my sexy voice.
There we go. Decorum broken, but it's something that we are used to. Illegal aliens do it all the time, breaking our laws. Dudula Queen, you've raised your hand. Dudula Queen, you've raised your hand.
You know what? This speaks to when Makwerekwere say things like, us particularly who are against this mass illegal immigration, they tell us that we don't travel. And the Pan-Africanists and the EFF members that they chill with on those Dululu platforms also now say they don't travel. They've never traveled the African continent. It's to tell you that South Africans by nature don't have a reason to leave the country unless they are sought after or they are traveling by your sightseeing other countries. Or it could also be Uguti. Yes, it's traveling, it's either they are sought after or
and refugee.
The other one, which is the other race, they usually complain Uguti, they can't find jobs, etc., so they have to migrate. You are speaking of African unity, Simpiwe, because you've seen in South Africa, we can live together, different tribes, to the point where we live with other African people in South Africa and Agaza Gubenechi side. But when you look at Africans in their respective countries, there has been a genocide amongst themselves. Take uzethu lola ku platform. In Zimbabwe, there has been a time where kube neGagarowundi, where Zimbabweans were butchered in the millions. I think it was a different ethnic group. Let's say, for example, City Amandebele, South Africa, kuke kwabulawa 30,000. Now, you guys preach Pan-Africanism from a comfortable point, a privileged point of view, in the sense that you see South Africans as people who can live amongst different people and even different nationalities. You are talking about people ababulalelwa izindlovu. Yes, we understand. Maybe it's destructive. This says movela emphakathini wabo. They don't have the resources as well to be able to take care of these large animals. In the sense of Uguti, what I'm arguing to you, Uguti, you are engaging with people who most probably, when they were 7 years old, they were made to go out into the world to go and fend. There are tribes in Zimbabwe where ingana zisiwe esikoleni makacala bana 7 8 uyiswa ukuthi ayohasila. You are engaging with people when they were young makacala na 10 years wanikwa AK-47 ukuthi ayolwa. You are engaging with people abakabadla inhliziyo zabantu baphila. Go study the history of Liberia. Go study the history of Rwanda. Go study the history of Zimbabwe. Google and research about what's happening currently now in Nigeria. Go read up on Somalia, Ethiopia, what's happening in Sudan right now. There was in Burundi, there was in CRR, where we've had our soldiers go on peacekeeping missions across this whole continent. And I understand why I'm a South African, I'm a Pan-Africanist, because we've got a government that are Pan-Africanist, that will be having our soldiers all over this continent on peacekeeping missions. Let me ask you, Simpiwe. Let me juggle your memory. There were floods in Mozambique in the year 2000. You remember when a woman gave birth on a tree? Because even in the midst of tragedy, ayukumita nomdavazo khohla bazoyenza bangabhebhana esihlahleni amanzi aphuphuma adlula amakhanda wabo. There was a woman that gave birth on a tree. It was the South African National Defence Force that was evacuating the citizens of Mozambique.